So if you'll read the problem, you will come to know that in this particular problem, a type of plane is given, that is isosceles triangle. So as we discussed, so it is nothing but the triangle whose two sides are equal. Okay, so type of plane is given with its geometry or the details we can say. So what are the details which are given in the problem? Its base is 40 mm, and how much height it has?
55.
55 mm height is given. So type of plane, okay. Dimensions are given, a type of plane is given. So most important thing, as I told earlier, which is that, so where this plane is lying, is it in FRP or HRP? Or we can say, is it in VP or HP? So that is most important. So where is the plane?
In
In
50.
VP plane it lies. So if you will read the problem carefully, you will come to know that this particular isosceles triangle is resting on where? Lying or resting? Where it is lying or resting?
VP.
On VP, or we can say in VP. On VP or in VP means as we discussed, every problem will start with true shape of the plane. Every problem will start with true shape of the plane. But question may arise in your mind, where to draw that true shape? Is it in HP or VP? That's why we have to read the problem statement carefully, and we have to see where a particular plane lies. So it is in VP, means which view. Now I'm asking very carefully, which view will be its true shape, front view or top view?
Front view.
Front view.
Front view, because in VP, which view we are getting?
Front view.
Front view.
Front view means we should draw its front view as a true shape. We have to draw its front view as a true shape. One more thing. Now this is clear. Where to draw its true shape? That we have to decide first. Is it in above XY or below XY, or whether it will be front view or top view? That is first thing. Next thing, where that plane is resting. Is there any one of the edge, one of the side, base, height, whatever? That is most now. Further words are also most important. So this particular isosceles triangle is resting on VP, on its base. So as I told, where to draw this base? Towards right hand side or towards left hand side?
Left hand
Left-hand
side.
side.
Left hand side.
Towards left hand side. That base is on VP. Means if at all you are going to draw the projections, that base should not go uh, out of XY line. It should be always remain on XY line. That is the meaning of this. So irrespective of giving inclination, it should remain on XY line, that is on VP. So if point is on VP or HP, where it will come in front view or top view? Maybe in projection of point we have seen lot many times. If particular point is on HP, suppose on HP or on VP, so it will come on XY line. So as I discussed, or we have discussed in the chapter number 1. So geometry is given. Resting side is base. On base it is there. And what is next? It is given. The surface of the plane is inclined to VP. Inclination angle is given. Inclination angle is given as a 40 degree, and we are supposed to draw its projection, means to draw its front view and top view, nothing else. So shall we start?
Yes,
Shall
sir.
we start?
Yes,
So
sir.
where to draw? First step always will be true shape and line view. Always you remember in this chapter, always we have to start not only in this, even in further chapters also. Projection of solids. First step is to draw true shape. First step is to draw true shape, but above XY or below XY, that is most important. So in this problem, where we have to draw?
Above XY.
Above XY.
Above XY. So how to draw isosceles triangle? How to draw? Base towards left. How much it is?
55
Length?
mm.
40. 40.
40 mm.
40, no. 40. So it is 40. So I will draw here. So line of 40 mm. 40. Okay, likewise. Now how to give height? From the center. From the center of this, I can give height. How much it is? So this will be height.
55.
55. Very simple. It is 55. Okay. Then what I have to do? Just I have to join corners. So if I will join this end to this and this end to this, it will be my isosceles triangle. So if I will give dimension, so how much it should be? 40. How much it should be?
55.
55. It should be something like this. So you can draw first. You can draw first now. This. Okay. Height I can remove because it is a triangular shape. Huh? It is a triangular shape. I can give now names to this. So we can start from this. So it, here, let us give name doesn't matter. So how names you are giving, it doesn't matter how you are giving. So let us, I will give this name as a B dash, B dash. Then this will be C dash. This will be A dash. Like this. Okay. So in a front view, as we giving name dash, that's why I have given here A dash, B dash, C dash. So what is this? It is a true shape. So let us give that also. So it is a true shape. Okay. So we have drawn true shape of the isosceles triangle in front view or in VP. Why we have drawn VP? What will be your answer? Why we have drawn in VP? Because plane lies in or resting on where? So this word is most
VP.
important. It is resting on VP. That's why we have drawn in front view or in VP. So next, what we have to do? So if I will ask at this stage, what is the which is the base of this triangle? Which is the base of this
A dash.
triangle?
A dash. B dash.
Or AB we can say in short. For the triangle ABC, AB is a base. Right now, AB is a base. So that base, it is resting on that base. So once true shape is over, what we are doing?
Projector.
Projector lines. We have to draw projector lines. Okay. So this is one, and this is another. Projector line we have to draw. And what we have to do? We have to locate points. Simply we have to locate the points. So let us locate that point also. So which point will come here? Here which point will come?
A dash, B
AB.
dash.
AB.
Now dash will not be there. That will be top view now. Which will come on XY. So which point will be there here?
AB.
AB. AB point will be there. Again, which point will be there here?
C.
Point?
C.
Point C. Here there will be point C. And thereafter, what you can do? You can draw this AB. Means line AB. Now if you will see this much only, yeah, only this much. So this will be your projection of line. Particular true length is perpendicular to this. So it will show AB is a point view. Is it AB is a point view of base AB? AB ha point
Yes,
view
sir.
ahega na base. It is
Yes,
like
sir.
this. So here there will be point view. Here there will be point view of and this will be the line view of this plane. Line view, or what is another name of that?
Edge view.
Edge view.
Line view or edge view of that plane. So here I will mention here. It is EV or line view of this. EV or like this I can mention here. So up to this, please complete this. Every problem will start with this true shape. Every problem will start with true shape. So one of the view is true shape, another view is line view or edge view. Draw this much. First to draw this much. After completing, you can tell to me. Is it over?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
For your information, I will show arrow also from where, because it will see randomly. So you should come to know that from where we have started. So from this we have taken projections. Maybe something like this. We have taken projections downward and we have drawn its true shape and line view. Okay. Now what to do? Very simple. This is simple, just one two stage problem. First step, true shape and line view. In second case, we are going to give inclination. That's all. Now what will be the next step?
Inclination.
Angle.
What will be next step? Inclination. With whom inclination is given?
VP.
With VP. Where to show that inclination in HP or VP?
HP.
In HP.
First lecture, whatever we have discussed, it is important. Inclination with VP will be observed in HP.
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 Okay. So here one random point you can select. One random point. Here, something like this. I have selected one point. And now, what is the inclination is given with VP? How much it is given?
40 degree.
40 degree.
40 degree. So here we can draw a line. Here we can draw a line. Maybe any random line we can draw here. How much it is? 40 degree. Maybe like this. A line with the angle which is making as a 40 degree. So this angle should be 40. Are you observing 40 degree angle?
Yes, sir.
So this is 40 degree angle. Okay. What to do now? So base, the plane, isosceles triangular plane is where it is? It is base is resting on VP, means on XY line. Means on XY line. Means, so which will be this point? This point should be base. This point should be its base only. So what name I should give here? Here I have shown my cursor. This point should be
B dash. B dash.
point AB. This should be point AB. Just we are rotating now its line view. This point should be point AB. Any random point you can take. This should be AB. Okay. Now, as usual, this 40 degree line we have drawn. Now you can take distance equal to what in compass, and you can mark on this line 40 degree line. Which distance you are going to take?
AB and
Line
C.
view.
Distance equal to line view or edge view. That is distance between point AB and between point C. This much distance. So you can take and you can mark. So it is 55 as we know. So in your notebook, you can take help of compass. Put the one of the end of compass on point AB and take distance equal to in between point C and AB and mark here. Okay, so I will draw, that is distance is 55. So I will mark something like this. For my case, it should be something like this. Then this is something like arc, I will say. It is arc. Just I have marked arc on that line. I have marked arc equal to what? Line view or edge view. So which point I will get here? Point
C.
C. That point will be point C. This point will be my point C. Okay. Now what to do? What is our next stage? So edge view we have rotated. Whatever condition, it is not on your own. Or on our own we have not rotated. In condition only it is given. Plane surface of plane inclined to VP at an angle of 40 degree. So that's why we have drawn one line of 40 degree and we have rotated its line view or edge view. Now what to do? What to do now? काय करायचं आता पुढं? Who will tell what to do next?
से पासून लाईन काढायचं सर वर
Straight line.
Straight lines we have to draw. What we are calling to that?
Projection.
Projection.
Projector line.
Projector line simply we have to draw. It is very simple. Simple projector line which will be faint. So this color it should be there in your notebook as a faint color. Maybe something like this. Faint. Again from all point. Here from here also we have to draw faint lines. From here also you have to draw again faint line. From point A also you have to draw faint line. Something like this. Okay. So if you are not remembering from where I am drawing, for information, I will give that arrow also from where I am drawing that lines. Okay, so for your information, so we have drawn in this way. Here and here we have drawn something like this. Okay, similarly from this again, maybe from here, here, in this way we have drawn projection line. For your information you can show arrow also from where we are drawing the projection lines. Now location of point, respective project intersection of respective projector line, intersection of respective projector line we have to do so that you can locate the point, intersection of respective projector line. So if I want to locate point B dash, this upper side B dash point, how I can locate? I have to see where is the intersection of these 2 points. Okay, so is it coming like this from here, point B, and from this B side intersection will be here. Are you getting?
येस सर
Are you getting? Similarly, point A dash. Similarly, point A dash will come here. Similarly, point C dash. Very simple. Point C dash will come here. It will be come here. Now we got A dash, B dash, C dash. Now what to do?
जॉइन ए डॅश
Join.
डॅश
Simply we have to join. Simply we have to join these points. So join it. So maybe from A dash to B dash, B dash to C dash, and C dash to again reverse A dash. So that whatever view is there, it should be again dark because it is your final projection. So as the plane is inclined to VP, so whatever yellow colored I have drawn, it will be which type of shape?
Apparent shape.
It will be apparent shape. Why it will be apparent shape? Why this is apparent shape?
From inclination we draw.
Because in this second stage, in this particular stage, plane is inclined to VP at an angle of what? 40 degree.
40
So that was
degree.
our condition. That's why as this plane is inclined, this A dash, B dash, C dash, the shape which we got in second step, it is apparent shape. So you can write it is apparent shape. Very simple. So that will be your projection. Such problems we are coming for 5 to 6 mark in your university exam. Very simple. Are you getting?
Yes.
This is our solution.
Yes, sir.
Only drawing means draw projection means to draw front view and top view. That's all. If at all you want to make it again dark, you can make like this, dark that also, so that it will be something like this. Have you understood any problem? Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So whatever problems we are observing, whatever problems we are studying right now, these problems are 2-stage problem. So actually in this chapter, 3-stage problems are more important. So that we are going to study in the upcoming lecture. So with the beginning, we are solving simple problem, 2-stage problem. So every problem. So if I will tell what are that 3 stages, so it is something like this. it is something like this. First stage is true shape. Second stage is inclination with one of the reference plane, and third step is inclination with other reference plane. Means in three-stage problem, always inclination with two reference planes will be given. So that remember. So if you'll observe, so whatever problems we have seen right from the morning, it was two-stage problem. Inclination with only one reference plane was given. So here also inclination with, if you see, so here true shape was given, no, it was asked, but if you see first problem, this problem we have solved. Inclination with only HP was given, only HP. But in three-stage problem, inclination with two planes will be given, and then we are supposed to solve the problem. So with the beginning, we are taking just inclination with one of the reference plane. That's why such problems are called as two-stage problem. Only two stage. One stage is true shape. Another step is to give inclination and complete the projection. Now your observation should be very keen. I will say very carefully. You have to observe from where we are starting. So if you will see our journey of our drawing. So I have started with this. I have started with this view. Okay. After that, I reached to this view. Again, I reached here. Okay, maybe suppose here, then here. Something like this. My journey was something like this. From here, I have started and I completed the view here. So further, if it is a three-stage problem, again we are going to here, then we are going to come. So later, yes, you can remember. Later, yes. So always I am telling while solving three-stage problem. Horizontal, yes, later you have to remember. So in this step only you have to go. So all problems in three-stage problem. Right now we are having only two stages. So this yes later will not be formed. So further problems you will come to know that first view will be this. You will come here in this. Afterwards here, then here. Next one will be view this and this step by step. So that we have to remember. So this is only two-stage problem. So shall we go next? Any problem? Because if you are understanding this, further is very easy. Only taking projection line, marking the point and joining, nothing else. Shall we go next?
Yes, sir.
Next. Have you noted down this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next one. Next problem, again two-stage problem, but a little reversed one. So I will give opportunity to roll number 10 to read the problem. Roll number 10.
An isosceles triangle of base 40 mm and 55 mm height is resting on VP or on its base. The surface of the plane inclined to VP such that its FV look like equilateral triangle of 40 mm side. Draw its projection and find its inclination with VP.
Inclination with VP. So for all, you can read the problem once again carefully.
An isosceles triangle of base 40 mm and 55 height is resting on a VP on its base. The surface of a plane inclined to VP such that its VP look like a equivalent triangle of 40 mm side. Draw its projection and find its inclination with VP.
Okay. So again, reverse the problem. Thank you. Roll number 10. So again, simple problem is given. Type of plane is given with its dimensions. Type of plane with its dimensions. Okay, base and height. Again, we have to see where it is resting. That is again most important thing. Where it is resting, that is again most important thing. And now, whether in this problem some inclination is given, It will
No.
read the problem. No, it's not given. But what it is asked? But inclination is asked. It is not given, but it is asked. But on which basis it is asked?
Equilateral triangle of 40 millimeters.
Equilateral triangle. It is inclined to whom? VP. Such that
Yes, sir.
it is inclined to VP such that here 55 such that its front view looks like a equilateral triangle. So now you, at this stage you should know what is equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle means
All sides are equal.
all sides are equal. So is it possible for you to solve? Is it possible for you to solve or shall we solve together?
We will solve, sir.
Okay. Shall I give some time to solve? Mahesh
Yes,
Patel
sir.
52 or shall we solve together? Here isosceles triangle. Here something is missing. Hmm. Will you solve and tell the inclination with PP? How much time you will take to solve this problem? 10 minutes. Am I- Rule number 9. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Will you solve the problem? If not, I will give the solution. Don't worry. Start
Okay,
first.
sir.
Start it. I want angle. Finally. So start it. Let us see how much angle you will get. Over over is it over? $32. Anmol, Aditya 69.
Yes, sir.
Over. Have you got inclination?
No, sir. Drawing.
Okay. Mali 70.
Uncle.
Okay. Mahesh Patel 55. 46. 46.
Yes, sir.
Over.
No, sir.
Okay. 38.
Yes, sir.
Over.
Yes, sir.
Have you got angle?
Yes, sir. 42 degree.
42.
So
Yes.
43.
Okay. 42, 43. Sarthak.
42, sir.
Okay. Any other?
41, sir.
41, 42, 43. Again. Again. Om
43, sir.
43. Snehal
42, sir.
42. Any other? Neha
41.
8. Neha,
Yes, sir.
how much it is?
41. 41.
41.
Uh,
Okay. 36.
yes, sir.
How much? You got
45.
45. Okay. Any other? Shall we solve? Let us check our accuracy, nothing else. We want to check our accuracy. Shall we solve?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So, where this plane is lying? In VP or in HP?
NVP.
In VP, on, I will say. On HP or on VP? This word is most important. On VP. Okay. So, shall we solve? Will you give attention here? So, those who are just saying solving, solving. So, I don't feel they are solving. So, as the plane is lying on VP, so where will be its true shape? We will come. Where will be its true shape? On VP means,
VP.
on VP or in VP means above XY line. So true shape will be there above XY line. So how much base is given?
40.
40. So this is 40. Okay. 40. And how much height is given? From the middle we have to take height. How much it is?
55.
55.
And just we have to join. Just we have to join. And then afterwards we can give dimension. Dimensions are most important. Immediately we have to give dimension. Just check have you given dimension. Immediately dimension, height and its base. Okay, so this you can remember and you can remove this for your information. And immediately you have to give name to this plane. We have to give names to this plane. So this plane will be A, whatever dash we are giving, no?
Yes, sir.
So C dash, this will be B dash, let us say, and this will be A dash. Okay, A dash. Okay, and so here we have drawn its true shape. This is most important. Where we are drawing its true shape. This is most important. This is our true shape. After that, what we are doing? Simply
Project.
projection line, projector line or projections we are taking. We can say. So from this we have to take projection on XY line. From this we have to take projection on XY line. So if possible, let us have a habit to show. Let us have a habit to show direction of projection line from where we have taken. So if you are having a habit to show, it's good. Okay. Again, point will come here now. So here which 2 point will come at this stage?
AB.
AB.
AB, point AB will come here. Okay. And here which point will come?
C.
Point C. Point C will come here. And simply either you can make it dark by joining it, or so here you can make it dark. So this will be dark. Line view, which is what is this? As we discussed, this is simple. It is
Line view.
a line view, or what is another name of line view?
Edge view.
Edge view or line view. It will be edge view or line view. Okay. Means first step is over here. First step is over. Now, what it is asked? Weather inclination. So as I discussed just before, first step will start from here. It will go here. After that here, but we cannot reach now right this stage because inclination is not given. If inclination is not given, that's why we cannot go for now this particular view. Now we have to come directly from this front view directly. We have to go here because it's true shape, apparent shape. Description of apparent shape is given. That's why let us draw projection lines from front view. Let us draw projection lines from front view, something like this. From this I will draw a projection line. Again from this point I will draw a projection line. From this I will draw a projection line. Okay, and randomly I can take here base randomly, base which is having a length of 40, which is having a length of 40. Okay, so this will be the 40 because here distance is 40 and directly we are horizontally distances we are taking. This here there will be this length will remain 40. Any objection?
No, sir.
This will remain only 40. Okay, so here I have taken. Now how apparent shape looks like or front view looks like after giving inclination, like this it is mentioned in the problem.
Equilateral.
Equilateral triangle, and this A dash B dash is 40. A dash B dash is 40. So obviously, how you are going to complete here equilateral triangle?
From B dash 40 and from A dash 40.
From
Angle
B dash
is
40. How you are going to complete? So from here 40.
degree angle.
You can take 60, no problem. If at all you are going to take 60, again no problem. In this way also possible. So two arcs I have drawn. From here 40 arc, from here 40 arc. You can join this point like this here, and from this point like here. So here I cannot draw arc, that's why I have drawn circle, something like this. It will be something like this. And which point will be there?
C dash.
Which point you will get here? So this should be 40, yeah. Again this should be 40. Which point you will get here? C dash. This point will be your C dash. Now what to do next? So for my
Projection
information,
line.
simple we have to draw projection line. So this is apparent shape which is given as equilateral triangle 40 40 40. Okay, so after that again projection line. So base is going to remain on xy line, okay, or on pp. So it will remain here only, it will remain here only. And similarly from c dash we are going to draw such a line. Okay, so for your information again, how we have drawn projection line, if you want to know, we have drawn something like horizontally in this way. We have drawn projection lines. Okay, thereafter we have drawn projection lines here, maybe here and here. Now in this way, so which point will be there on xy line? Point AB,
Yes, sir.
point AB. Now our task is to only locate point C on the projector of this C dash. How to locate? How to
Take
locate it?
distance of line view
Take the
from
distance
AB.
compass equal to line view or edge view and mark that distance here. So how much it is? 55. येते का लक्षात? कंपास मध्ये लाईन व्ह्यू एवढं डिस्टन्स घ्यायचं. कंपास एक तो ए बी या ठिकाणी ठेवायचं. यू हॅव टू पुट वन ऑफ द एंड ऑफ दॅट कंपास ऑन पॉइंट ए बी, point view, and mark this distance. You will get point C. Any problem? You will get point C. So that distance is 55. So I will mark arc at 55. You can make it use of compass. You can make use of compass. I will mark a distance by using this. Okay, and afterwards, so here I have marked the arc. So I have marked the arc. I will erase this. So here I have marked the arc by taking distance equal to what is
55.
55. So you can join this. So from this you can join this, something like this. Similarly, so this one was also should be darker. I will make it something like this. Now here which point we will get here?
C.
C.
Point C. Point C will be here. And what is our task? We have to measure the inclination. So shall I measure?
Yes.
Yes.
How much it was? Something is wrong. Just check.
49.
50 degree.
Is it coming 51?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. 50.
Hmm?
51, sir.
49.
Just check. Whether I have made
51.
why answers were coming different, or I have made some mistake. Just check again. How much it should be? 55, no?
51.
Is it coming 51? 38. What is your answer?
Yes.
42.
42.
Yes, sir.
How come?
त्या हाईट एक घेतल्यामुळे झालंच ते.
Huh? Height? Height काय म्हणताय?
इक्विलेटर ट्रायंगल 40 40 40 आहे ना सर.
एक अहो बरोबर आहे सर, ते इक्विलेटर ट्रायंगल मध्ये हाईट 40 घेतल्यामुळे चुकले.
हाईट 40. म्हणजे तुम्ही हे
हा.
डिस्टन्स 40 घेतलं का?
येस सर.
हाईट 40 घेतली का इक्विलॅटरल ट्रायंगल मध्ये? म्हणजे हे डिस्टन्स 40 का? 51 आन्सर येतं. तुमचं कसं काय आलं? हे 35 यायला पाहिजे हाईट. काय झालंय? रोल नंबर 38. तुमचं कसं
Yes,
काय
sir.
झालं? How your answer is 42 or 41? Just check.
सर आम्ही मिड पॉइंट पासून 40 घेतलं सर.
Equilateral triangle is something असं असतो का equilateral triangle? तुम्ही हाईट घेतली का 40? Answer is 51. How many of you got answer 51?
49,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
41, 51,
Yes, sir. 51.
49,
sir.
50, 51, 52 करेक्ट.
52, sir.
बऱ्याच जणांनी जे काय आन्सर सांगितले ते वेगळे वेगळे. Have you understood? Actually, I was shocked by listening your answers. How come it will come 41, 42? So true shape is given equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle कसा complete करतो आपण? Very basic. So all sides should be 40 equilateral triangle. So height should not be 40. You might have taken 40 and you might have measured angle. ते चुकीचं आहे. ते का लक्षात?
Yes.
Such mistake should not be there. म्हणजे तुम्ही इथून इकडं किती घेतलंय 40. म्हणजे तुम्ही बाहेर आला लांब. That is a mistake. It is mistake. Big mistake. It should not be there. Equilateral triangle is given. It means it should be something like this. So you can measure. Please note down this or write down this. Have you understood? Simple two-stage problem. It is simple two-stage problem, nothing else. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Shall I give one problem?
Yes, sir.
First, note down this. Equilateral triangle. It is not expected to make such simple mistake. Very simple. How to draw equilateral triangle? From center, you should not take 40. How to complete equilateral triangle, you should know. Have you noted down this?
Yes, sir.
बट सर मागच्या मग प्रॉब्लेम मध्ये 40 डिग्री कसा काय आला
कुठं?
मगाशी
म्हणताय?
घेतलेला
कुठला मागाशी?
प्रॉब्लेम नंबर 3
इथं?
त्याच्या रिव्हर्सच आहे ना. हा मग एवढा
नाही
अँगल
नाही नाही. म्हणजे इथं जो तुमचा जो प्रॉब्लेम नंबर 3 मधला जो तुम्हाला अपॅरंट शेप दिसला तो इक्विलॅटरल ट्रायंगल आहे का?
No, sir.
नाही,
And
sir.
बघा बरं,
distance same नाही आहे sir त्यांचं.
बघा बरं, मी मोजून बघतो. माझ्या माहितीनुसार नाही आहे. म्हणजे असं कुठं मेन्शनच केलं नाही किंवा यू कॅन क्रॉस चेक. दिस डिस्टन्स इज 40. शुड नॉट बी 40. 40 पाहिजे. 1 mm इकडे तिकडे झालं माझं क्लिक करताना. ठीक आहे. देन दिस डिस्टन्स इज 47. हा इक्विलॅटरल ट्रायंगल आहे कोण म्हटलं? 47. तुमचं मोजून बघा बरं. इन युअर नोटबुक यू
Yes,
कॅन
sir.
मेजर अँड टेल.
47.
47. इट शुड नॉट बी.
Yes, sir.
हा काय इक्विलॅटरल ट्रायंगल आहे का? दॅट्स वाय इट इज नॉट 40. हा जर असता
सर
how much apparent shape this isosceles triangle is having these two sides. Forget about this base. या दोन साइड किती आले तुमच्या? त्याच्याच आसपास आहे ना. 46. Okay. 46, 47, 48. Okay. It is not equilateral triangle. This is not equilateral triangle. That's why this inclination should not be that. येते का लक्षात? Actually पहिले दोन रिव्हर्स होते. This is not reverse problem. So once again you can check in your notebook. This inclination should be 51. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Now simple problem as a homework. You can take this. Who will read? Only 2 minutes are there with us. Who will read this? Ankita. Anisha. Avinash. 62.
Yes, sir.
Read loud.
A regular pentagon of 40 millimeter side is resetting on HP on one of its side with its surface 45-degree inclined to HP. Draw its projections.
Okay. Resting. So this word is resting. You are saying something, resting something. A regular pentagon of 40 mm
Yes,
side is resting on HP on one of its side with its surface 45-degree inclined to HP. Draw its projections. So, which is the type of plane is given in the problem?
Pentagon.
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 How much sides it will have?
5.
5.
5
5
sides.
sides it will have. Number second. Where it is? It is on HP or on VP?
On HP.
On HP.
It is on HP. Means its true shape will come where? Where it will be? True shape will come in HP or on HP or on VP?
On
In
HP.
HP.
On HP.
Whether its front view will be true shape or its top view will be true shape?
Top view.
Top view.
Top view will be true shape. On the other hand, uh, where it is resting on one of its side. Okay. So how to draw pentagon now? Here in top view, we are going to draw its true shape. So let me know now. Let me know how will be its true shape. How to draw pentagon? Regular. What is the meaning of regular?
All sides are equal.
All sides are equal. How to draw pentagon? Who will tell? Huh? मला इथं pentagon काढायचं. Here I want to draw pentagon. First, who will tell? Only pentagon I will tell. Afterwards, you can complete. What is the internal angle of pentagon? We have seen.
108.
Very good. 108. So here, I will tell. First, you have to draw towards left hand side. We have to draw a line of 40 because its side is 40. Its side is 40. That's why we have to draw one line of 40 mm. One line of 40 mm. Okay. Likewise, after this, one of the line making angle of one of the line making angle from this corner. So let us give. I will give name here that you will come to know that. So one line here, suppose point A, and here we are going to draw in this way. After that, I will give name. So here I have to take an angle. First distance 40 and angle 108. Angle will be 108. It will be, sorry. Or here, from here, I have to draw one line. Not here. In this way. In this direction, I have to draw angle 108 and distance 40, like one line. But just give attention how to draw that line. So what I have did, I have taken angle of 108 in between this vertical line and this 108, and this distance is how much? This distance should be 40 because regular
40.
pentagon is 40. It is also 40. It is also 40. Likewise, similarly, one more line I have to draw from this point, this to this. Okay, and again here in this way I have to draw one line. Okay. In this way, here also of 108. So again one more line you have to draw. So by making an angle of 108, and what should be
40.
distance should be 40. Distance should be 40. So something like this. This to this distance should be 40. How many sides are completed right now? Out of 5 sides, pentagon is having 5 sides. How many sides we have drawn? 40, 40, 40. How many?
3. 3.
Okay. Now remaining 2, not necessary to take angle. Only 2 are remained. So what will be the shortcut to draw remaining 2? काय करावं लागेल सांगा बरं. Who will tell?
40 millimeter distance
You can take
and
distance
mark.
equal to 40 and draw two intersecting arc. Draw two
Yes.
intersecting arc from this 40 arc. Similarly, from this point 40, it will meet somewhere and join that. From this to this and this to this in this way. So you can draw such arc and you can complete. Two intersecting arcs you can draw and you can complete it likewise. So you can measure remaining as you have taken distance equal to 40 in compass. So this should be how much? 40, and this should be how much?
40.
40. So this will be your pentagon. This will be your pentagon. Okay. So all angles, even this angle also you can measure. Included angle also you can measure. So whatever it is there, you can measure that angle also, included angle. So how much it should be? Again 108. All angles you can measure, included angle. So likewise, you can draw, you can give name